Hi, I'm Sam from Fine Country and welcome today to the village of Staverton in Northamptonshire. Behind me is Kimmeridge House, a delightful stone-built detached home nestled beneath the village church. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Tucked away in this delightful cul-de-sac is Kimmeridge House, with a south-facing aspect, stone frontage and an attractive, well-proportioned property, including a kitchen breakfast room with Smeg appliances. There's views across the walled garden, a neighbouring utility room and a large dining room at the rear that provides access to the rear terrace. The hallway is spacious. There's a cloakroom, access to the first floor and a door that leads off to the comfortable sitting room. This has its own feature fireplace, views to the front of the cul-de-sac and access to the wonderful garden room with its vaulted ceiling and attractive features. The first floor has access to 5 well-proportioned bedrooms. There's a master bedroom with an ensuite, a super guest room, again with an ensuite, and other rooms that are used as a study, dressing room, and of course there's also the family bathroom. The second floor provides access to a fantastic attic room, a perfect work from home environment or hobby area, but there's also a neighbouring double bedroom tucked away at the top of the house with some delightful views of the rear gardens and church. The gardens themselves are attractive and south facing with wonderful views of the village. We end the tour here at Kimmeridge House in the delightful walled gardens, where behind me is the village church and just to the right a delightful garden room. If you'd like to know more about this property and join me for an exclusive viewing, then contact me on the details that are about to follow.